Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool motion blur background. So you are going to just format your pictures to like a 1x1. So go to canvas, format, and choose 1x1, and you want to scale them to that size, and you want all of your pictures to be 0.1 seconds. You also need a lot of pictures, so just be patient with like finding them. If you really want to do the edit, I'm sure you can find your faves pictures and also set the duration to 0.1. I am doing this on the mobile app, so it is a little bit more difficult because I have to do it like 1x1 instead of like just adding it and it's already in that like format and in that duration. So I do have to do this 1x1, and I will just fast forward this, so I'm gonna be right back once I'm done. Once I'm done with that, I'm just going to press export first. You do have to export this first, and then after that I'm going to select the video, and I'm going to scroll to the very right and select motion blur, and I'm going to add in about 75% blur and a 35% blend, direction both, and times 4 times. Press OK and press the check mark button and wait for it to be applied. Once you're done with that, you're going to select overlay, and you're going to select add overlay, and you're going to select a video. Then you are going to select cutout, and you're going to select, now you're going to select cutout, and you're going to select remove background, and you're just going to press the check mark button. I'm just going to move this to the left, but just make sure that your video is like proportionate. But I just chose mine from the gallery, like from my gallery. And you can also add in, I think you can adjust the speed on it. I'm not sure. Oh yes, you can. It's right there. Make it a little bit slower, and don't forget to choose better quality. And that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!